Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have another What's in Wednesday where I take you to the shops and show you the Christmas decorations that are in there. So today's video we actually went to ASDA because I was recommended to go by Hermione Chantel. Absolutely love her so much. I'm sure if you guys watched my channel then you would have watched hers because she is like what I love but on steroids and she's really good at it. So yeah, if you haven't checked out Hermione already, I'll leave her channel down in the description just in case. But yeah, she said about going to ASDA in her videos and recommended me go there as well, and I went there with my mum yesterday and I filmed all of the Christmas stuff in there because some of the little decorations were just absolutely beautiful and I thought, you know what, you guys will love it, so I just whipped out the camera and started filming in there to be able to share it with you. So hopefully you enjoy today's video, enjoy having a little look around ASDA. If there's any questions, any shops you want me to visit in the future, then just let me know down in the comments and I will be sure to reply to you there. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and I hope you enjoy it. So first walking in to ASDA, they had loads of like fresh kind of trees and stuff like that. I absolutely loved the first ones, but they had these holly topiaries, they had these little reindeer planters, they had like cute little kind of novelty ones, all at really good prices. I really wanted the first trees that I showed just then, but to be honest, I don't have anywhere to put them and I really need to save up some money for, you know, bills and stuff, so I managed to avoid them. I feel so proud. They had a load of fresh Christmas trees out as well, but then I went straight inside and went straight to the Christmas aisles and found these little faux ones. So they had these little tiny tabletop ones at £2, as well as these fun stockings at £10 each. On the end caps, they had loads of like multi-packs of baubles, including these colours ones, which I thought was really nice. And then down the main aisle, they had like bay by bay, just themed to whatever colour they had, which I really liked because I like a nice colour coordinated store, you know. So I started off over in the corner looking at this gold kind of section. They had loads of individual kind of decorations and everything, loads of novelty ones, little telephones, cars, there was a dog in a handbag. What else was there? There was something else that really caught my eye on this section. Let's wait till we get to the top here a minute. Come on, there we go, there's the top. Oh yeah, this little champagne bottle there, as well as the dog in the handbag. Look, there he is, he's so cute. I just fell in love with that. A few people came at this point, so I didn't want to get in their way, so I didn't get full clips of everything on this bay, but hopefully you was able to see them just enough on the kind of pan down. On this next one, it's more of a neutral kind of, but a bit more modern, I would say. There were a lot of kind of like astronaut things and a lot of kind of chromes and that sort of stuff. Really liked it. Also really like this little wooden and furry reindeer. Something about it spoke to me, you know. I feel like I kind of need it, but definitely no, I don't need it, I just wanted it. Zooming on up to the top, they had these little polar bears, which I loved, as well as this little astronaut in there. I just loved that. I thought that would be a really fun take on a Christmas tree if you did like a space themed one. One day I'm gonna do a space themed tree, you just wait and see. So they had loads of little like simple bits, you know, like your beads and your little snowflakes and your basics basically. But the thing that caught my eye on this shelf was this 4-pack of little polar bears for £4 and this little wooden tree, which was £2. And I thought this would be a great addition to a tiered tray if you're doing one of those this year. Onto the red section here, I really like this one. I thought that this would be really fun to implement into like a farmhouse theme because they had the buffalo check stocking there, as well as Brussels sprouts. I don't know what it is. Brussels sprout decorations seem to be everywhere this year. I loved the little star there with all the snow on, and again another little Brussels sprout decoration. I love this little Santa, this little mixer, and that little hot cocoa right next to it. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. As well as this camper van, the little soldier bell, and this little marshmallow guy. Oh, so cute. Moving on to another bay, we had more kind of silvers and whites and that sort of stuff. Again, they had a few little spacey type themed bits in there. But they did have these multi-pack of baubles here, which are in the green and the pink. And I really like the toned down colour of them. So if you're going for those sort of colours, then check out ASDA. I love this little house at £2. I thought that was a steal. I thought it was so nice, as well as these little wooden beaded ornaments. Again, perfect for a farmhouse themed Christmas. Next, I found these little light up letters. I did look for a tester, but unfortunately they didn't have any, but they just went from A to Z and they had all of the letters, which I kind of like. I hate it when they like don't include the Zs or something, because what about the Zoes and stuff in the world, you know? Next I went along all the lights and everything like that, and I pressed all the little tester buttons for you. I also got my mum to help me out with that, so I'll leave you with some music just to look at the little lights. And yeah, that's that. By the way, see those fa la 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 ones? Not this advent calendar. That advent calendar was very, very beautiful. These lights here, I'm going to go back and get them because they were incredible. Okay, I'll leave you with some music. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of music because it's me again. But we found these little projectors in there. Really like these, and they had this reindeer one in the red and then the snowflake one as well. The snowflake one was absolutely incredible. Like, look at that. I feel like I need that in my kitchen or something because I think that would look really cool. I think these ones here are indoors only. We tried to look for, you know, the marker which said indoor, outdoor, but there wasn't really one on it, and it said to light up any room. So we figured that one was for indoors, and these ones here are your outdoor guys, you know. There was a little sample bit there which shows you how they look on your house, so that's that. Moving on to the little novelty section. This had been really raided, so I'm unsure of what has been kind of taken at this point. But there was lots of Toy Story, bits of Disney in there. There was new Frozen bits, all your princesses at £3 each. They were really super detailed. And I know how much baubles can cost in the likes of Disney World and Disneyland and that sort of stuff. So £3 per bauble, I think that was really good. In the wrap section, I found this cover, which I thought was a really good idea. It's kind of like a tablecloth type thing, but for a present. And I thought, wow, that could come in handy if you're buying a bike. So I thought I'd include that in the video as well. On the end cap, they had loads of these funky gnomes, and then back over to the novelty baubles, they had loads of different things, including a little kind of crocodile in a UFO type thing. There was a really fat hippo, these stars which are like Santas. I thought they were really funny actually, as well as a little sewing machine. So if you know anyone who loves sewing, I'm sure someone would buy this for me. But yeah, £3 in there for a little bauble, and that'll make a great little like stocking filler or something like that. I like to receive Christmas decorations as stocking fillers, so yeah, just saying. I then found the best thing I've ever seen in my life, and it was a gingerbread nutcracker. And I got distracted and didn't film any of those shelves because I found him and I needed him, you know. But I did find this gingerbread house for £8. There was just one of him left as well, so yeah, luckily he had the price on the bottom because otherwise I would not have known that. They had loads of the foil decorations, you know, more of the traditional ones, all for £1 each, which I thought was an absolute steal. If this is right up your street, then ASDA will have your back, as well as this little mistletoe pick. Really love that. I've been on the hunt for a really good quality mistletoe pick, and ASDA's one was really good. Then I figured I kind of actually don't know where to put that. I then found this little Mrs. Claus mug in amongst all those novelty bits, so I made myself go all the way over to the mug so that I could film all of them for you. All of the fun little novelty kind of sippy cups there, as well as these glass mugs, and then these ones here, which would be so good for a hot cocoa bar. In the kitchen, where I found little egg cups and spoon holders, teapots, cookie jars, just everything you think you could ever make Christmas, ASDA's got it. ASDA has got your back. They also had a great assortment of mugs, but not many left in my store. And then if you didn't want to be, you know, too out there with this candy cane one, they did have a few little kind of not so in your face Christmas bits. There was some nice white like Christmas kitchenware with what like little silver stars on. So yeah, that's that. then went and searched up all the bedding because I am a Christmas bedding fanatic. If you don't have Christmas bedding, then really you should get you some, because honestly it puts me in such a great Christmassy mood when my Christmas bedding's on. And ASDA had so many, including these little adorable hedgehogs. And if you didn't know, hedgehogs are my favourite animal of all time and I love them. So when I seen this, I was like, I love that. I do have llamas on my bed at the moment, but if I didn't, I would definitely have the hedgehogs. So, you know, there's that. They also had this little setup of some Christmas bedding, as well as a few more bits on the end cap here, which have snowmen on, some little houses and stuff. So great if you have a neutral decor or a grey decor, then you can still implement this. On the next end cap over, they had a few more teapots, including that Christmas tree one, and then they had loads of bathroom wear as well, so like your soap dispensers, your little hand towels, some flannels, everything you could ever want. ASDA has got it. Honestly, seriously, this supermarket, ASDA, has been my favourite so far. I filmed in Tesco and I just didn't have enough to make a video with it, so I scrapped that. I may come back to it if they've put out more now, but to be honest, I don't have high hopes. I then found these little bits just randomly around. Every little bit of Christmas I found in the home decor I just filmed for you. So there was dash hound little kind of throws, cushions, all the goodness, these little sets of candles, including these little gingerbread printed ones. I love them. And then they also randomly had a cactus gift set as well, so if you know someone likes cactuses and candles, you've got them sorted. Then on to the last two end caps, we had one full of gnomes and garden ornaments. I thought they were absolutely adorable, including this little Nutcracker Santa and this one dressed up as a little reindeer. Don't know, loved it. And then back to those giant ones again, which I showed just a minute ago. And then on the very last end cap, we had a whole load of dancing little plushes, and they were absolutely hilarious. I honestly could not stop laughing. They were playing their own little tunes, having a little dance, wandering around. I absolutely loved them. So I would suggest going in and having a little test of these.
Oh my god, look, a light up flying pig.
I also seen a light up flying pig apparently, but that's that. So yeah, these were all the little funny bits. I thought they were so funny, so I had to include them with a little bit of music as well. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know which little bit was your favourite in ASDA. Mine for sure was the little gingerbread. Now I have bought a few things in there. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to show you them quickly because they are behind me. I picked up the little gingerbread nutcracker. Like I said, could not resist this little guy. He is broken. His little gingy has fallen off. He's very beaten up because he's obviously been chucked around a little bit. But I'm in love with him. I had to have him. He was the last one. So I thought a little bit of glue, never hurt anyone, and we're going to fix him right up. So I picked up that one and he was £4, just described as a gingerbread man nutcracker. Pretty self-explanatory. And then the other thing that I picked up, see, I really held back. I'm so proud of myself, which is two little sweets. These little pink ones. I would have preferred them to be in a red, but they only had a pink or a bright blue. So I went with the pink. These were just 50p each. Thought that was a steal, and I thought I could add them on my Christmas tree in the kitchen. So I thought they will be perfect. So yeah, I spent £6 in there actually because I bought some milk as well, and that's not very exciting. Yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments down below which store you'd like to see me visit next, and I will go and do that for you. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!